still struggling with low energy, stubborn weight, poor sleep, or slow recovery? You're eating better, training harder, trying supplements, but your body still feels off. If you answered yes, we can help. We're LongevityPlan.AI, a physician-guided virtual peptide wellness and performance company. The great news is we are now offering a 90-day virtual peptide therapy retreat where you'll receive physician-prescribed peptide therapy, weekly wellness coaching, fitness guidance, and recovery support, and AI-driven personalization from a team of international scientists, doctors, and performance experts. Book a free consultation today and receive a customized peptide therapy report. To ensure every client receives a highly personalized experience, we only accept a limited number of members each month. Book your consultation today and take the first step toward the body, energy, and long-term health transformation you've always wanted.